Hey everyone, whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a seasoned pro, finding the right drawing tablet is key to bringing your creative visions to life. Drawing tablets are super useful for all kinds of creatives, from photographers retouching images to animators and digital artists creating their next masterpiece. So, how do you pick the right one? In this video, I've got the best 6 drawing tablets of 2024 lined up for you, along with their key features. Plus, I'll break down what you need to consider so you can choose the perfect tablet that fits your needs. Let's dive in and find the best one for you. Number 6. Huion Kamvas Studio 16, a premium drawing tablet that's not just a tablet, but a full-on Windows 11 computer. If you're an aspiring illustrator who hates juggling multiple devices, this might just be the all-in-one solution you've been looking for. It's powered by Windows 11, meaning you get all the functionality of a desktop PC right on your drawing tablet. No more dealing with messy cables or switching between devices. Plus, it comes with a built-in stand and even has built-in speakers, so you're ready to go straight out of the box. The 15.75-inch display is gorgeous with a 2560 by 1440 resolution and 100% Adderberg color gamut, which makes it perfect for detailed and color-accurate work. The Pentec 3.0 Plus stylus is smooth and responsive, offering 8,192 pressure levels, exactly what you'd expect from a top-tier device. But here's the kicker: it's all powered by an Intel Core i7 processor with 16 GB of RAM, so multitasking between apps is a breeze. Now, let's talk about some downsides. First off, this thing is heavy, about 3.9 kilograms, so it's not exactly portable, and working on it for long periods might strain your arms. Also, there are no shortcut buttons, which might be a bummer for those who are used to customizing their workflow. But you can always use an external keyboard or a programmable remote to get around this. One more thing, the price. At $1,699, it's definitely an investment. But if you're looking for a powerful, versatile drawing tablet that can double as your main computer, the Kamvas Studio 16 justifies the cost. All in all, the Kamvas Studio 16 is a beast of a machine that offers incredible versatility for creatives who want everything in one place. If that sounds like you, this tablet could be a game changer. Number 5. Xencelabs Pen Display 24. Whether you're a pro creative or an experienced amateur, this device is a serious contender, and it's giving Wacom a run for its money. First off, it's got a stunning 24-inch 4K UHD display that brings your work to life with vibrant colors, 99% Adderberg and 93% DCI-P3 to be exact. The drawing experience is smooth and precise, thanks to the 8,192 pressure levels and the excellent Pen V2 that comes in the box. And let's not forget, it's packed with accessories, including a quick keys remote, 2 pens, a pen case, and even a drawing glove. This attention to detail really shows that Xencelabs put a lot of thought into the user experience. Now, while this tablet does a lot right, it's not without a few minor drawbacks. For one, it's missing some ports that could make connectivity a bit more flexible. Also, unlike some of its competitors, it doesn't have touchscreen controls. But honestly, these are more like nice-to-have features than deal breakers, especially when you consider the price point. At $1,899, it's still cheaper than Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 and Pro 27, and you get a lot of bang for your buck. One of the things I love most about this tablet is how well-rounded it is. The built-in stand is sturdy and adjustable, making long drawing sessions comfortable, and the overall design is sleek and ergonomic. Overall, this is one of the best drawing tablets on the market right now, offering incredible value, excellent performance, and a thoughtful design. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Pro 9, a device that's both familiar and new at the same time. If you're a fan of the Surface lineup or considering making the switch, here's what you need to know. First up, the Surface Pro 9 keeps the sleek and lightweight design we loved from the previous model. It's incredibly slim and easy to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The touchscreen is responsive, and it seamlessly transitions between a tablet and a laptop. It's a solid choice if you need something versatile that runs Windows 11. Now here's where things get interesting. The Surface Pro 9 comes in 2 versions. You can choose between a 12th gen Intel Core processor or the new Microsoft SQ3 ARM processor. The ARM version is a game changer with 5G connectivity and some cool new features, but it's also more expensive. The Intel model, like the one I tested, is still powerful with an Intel Core i7, 16GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage. However, there are a few drawbacks. The display, while sharp, hasn't changed much and is pretty unremarkable compared to competitors. The design is also very similar to last year's model, so if you're expecting something radically new, you might be a bit disappointed. Plus, the Slim Pen 2 and Signature keyboard are sold separately, which can add to the overall cost. Despite these minor issues, the Surface Pro 9 remains a top choice if you want a Windows tablet that's portable and powerful. For the price starting at $999, it offers great value, especially if you need the flexibility of a 2-in-1 device. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, one of the top contenders in the world of high-end Android tablets. Samsung's Tab series has always been impressive, and the S9 Plus is no exception, packing some serious power into a sleek design. The Tab S9 Plus features a stunning 12.4-inch AMOLED display that's perfect for media consumption. Whether you're watching movies or gaming, the vibrant colors and sharp resolution will blow you away. Plus, the included S Pen is super responsive, making it a great tool for drawing or jotting down notes. It even has IP68 water resistance, so you don't have to worry about spills or splashes. Under the hood, the S9 Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, paired with up to 12GB of RAM, making multitasking smooth and fast. You've got options for 256GB or 512GB of storage, which is expandable via microSD, definitely a plus if you're storing tons of files. The battery life is solid too, thanks to its 10,090 mAh battery. Now, while this tablet is impressive, there are a few downsides. It doesn't have a headphone jack, which might be a deal breaker for some. The fingerprint reader could be better positioned, it's not in the power button, which can be a bit inconvenient. And it's a bit surprising that it doesn't support 65-watt fast charging, considering its premium price tag starting at $1,000. Overall, it combines a gorgeous display, powerful performance, and useful features into one sleek package. Just keep in mind the minor quirks before you make the leap. Number 2. iPad Pro 13-inch 2024, and let me tell you, it's an absolute powerhouse. First up, let's talk about what makes this tablet stand out. The 13-inch OLED display is truly a showstopper with a stunning 2752 by 2064 resolution. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and it's perfect for everything from video editing to binge watching your favorite shows. Plus, with the new M4 chip, you're getting top-tier performance that can handle intense tasks like gaming and professional creative work with ease. The design is another highlight. This iPad Pro is incredibly thin and light, just 0.2 inches thick and weighing only 1.28 pounds, making it super portable and easy to hold for long periods. Battery life, it's exceptional. You can count on it to last throughout your busiest days. But of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The starting price of $1,299 is steep, and adding accessories like the Magic Keyboard can push the cost even higher. For some, this might be overkill, especially if you're only using it for casual browsing or media consumption. In that case, the iPad Air 2024 might be a better fit. One minor downside is that the iPad Pro 13-inch doesn't have an ultra-wide rear camera, which might disappoint those who love wide-angle shots. Also, it only comes with a USB 2.0 cable in the box, which feels a bit outdated for such a high-end device. So if you're in the market for a premium tablet that can replace your laptop and handle serious workloads, the iPad Pro 13-inch 2024 is definitely worth considering. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq Pro 27, the best overall drawing tablet in 2024. If you're a pro artist or designer looking for a top-tier tool, stick around because this might just be your next big investment. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 27 is a game changer with its massive 26.9-inch UHD display, offering stunning clarity and detail. It's built like a tank turdy and easily adjustable, so you can find the perfect angle for your work. The display also features a high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz and a 10 ms response time, making it as smooth as silk for drawing and even doubling as a monitor for your computer. The pen responsiveness is top-notch with 8,192 pressure levels, giving you incredible precision and control. Plus, with 98% DCI-P3 and 99% Adobe RGB color coverage, your work will look vibrant and true to life. But let's be real, the Cintiq Pro 27 isn't without its downsides. First off, it's pretty pricey at around $3,499. That's a hefty investment, especially when compared to its smaller sibling, the Cintiq Pro 16, which costs about half as much. Another issue is its sensitivity. The pen can be overly responsive, which might take some getting used to. And at nearly 16 pounds, it can become uncomfortable to use for extended periods. So if you're ready to make a serious investment and need a versatile, high-performance tool that doubles as both a display and a monitor, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 27 is a fantastic choice. However, if you're on a tighter budget or need something more portable, you might want to consider one of the previous options. And that's a wrap for today's look at the best drawing tablets of 2024. Which one caught your eye? Are you leaning towards the massive Wacom Cintiq Pro 27 with its professional features, or does the powerful performance and stunning OLED display of the iPad Pro 13-inch grab your attention? Let us know in the comments which tablet you think would boost your creative workflow, or which features are most important to you. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.